In this video, we will see how Snap ensures the effort, time and cost associated with the test case maintenance is reduced. This effort reduction will not require any additional manual effort, as will be evident in the process. To begin, we log into Snap and select the appropriate project. Once after this, based on any changes that might have occurred on the target application, Snap identifies these changes and allows the user to select the enhancements to be included as part of the Snap test lifecycle. Here to the existing setup, we select two objects and proceed with the generation of the test cases. Upon clicking on the Add to Test Suite button, a pop-up displaying the information about the test suites, that has test cases pertaining to the objects selected, is displayed. We then allow the user to either create a new test suite or select an existing test suite and either merge or replace the newly Snap-generated test cases. Upon performing the necessary selections, we see the changes are reflected throughout. This automated aspect of Snap is evidently reducing the time, cost, and effort associated with the maintenance of test cases or test scripts. Thank you.